Center approves two electronics manufacturing clusters worth 1012 crore rupees in Tamil Nadu. The center has approved two electronics manufacturing clusters in Tamil Nadu with a combined investment of over 1012 crore rupees. The move is aimed at strengthening the state's electronics manufacturing ecosystem and further India's push towards self reliance in the sector. The announcement was made by Union Minister for Electronics and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnav in a written reply in the Lok Sabha yesterday. The two clusters will be developed at Manalur and Pillapaikam. The Manalur EMC will span 474.3 acres with a project cost of 587.47 crore rupees, while the Pillapaikam EMC will cover 379.3 acres at an investment of 424.55 crore rupees. The government said India's electronics manufacturing sector has witnessed significant growth over the past decade, supported by reforms such as production linked incentive schemes, liberalized FDI norms, tax reforms, and labor reforms. Electronics production has increased from nearly 1.9 lakh crore rupees in 2014-15 to around 13.11 lakh crore rupees in 2025-26, while exports have risen from about 38,000 crore rupees to 4.24 lakh crore rupees during the same period. Mobile phone production has grown more than 30-fold to 6.27 lakh crore rupees, with exports touching 2.59 lakh crore rupees. India now manufactures nearly 99.2% of the mobile phones sold domestically, and the sector provides employment to nearly 25 lakh people, according to industry estimates. Tamil Nadu has emerged as one of the country's key electronics manufacturing hubs, with manufacturing facilities spread across districts including Kanchipuram, Chennai, Chengalpattu, Krishnagiri, Tiruvallur, and Coimbatore. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Thank you, everyone. Bye.